Hello and welcome to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. And today we are looking at a village house in Neffiès. The house we're looking at is on the right hand side. It's arranged over 3 floors, it's got 3 bedrooms, and it's in such a quiet little area of the village, as you can see here. Very quiet little street. And if I turn around, you've got a historic archway there, I think. It's so pretty. This little place is so full of history. So without further ado, I'm going to take you into the house. And so straight away we walk into the entranceway. Beautiful vaulted ceilings, all painted white. Parts of the house are very, very old. I understand that it used to be owned by monks and they used to make wine and other alcoholic beverages, and they used to trade out of this building. So there's lots and lots of history. You've got beautiful features such as that arched stone wall there and the stairs. Gorgeous. And on the ground floor, straight away, I can show you the wine cellar. So just a few steps down here. And beautiful little room. Gorgeous vaulted ceiling. And it's a constant temperature. You've got gravel on the floor here. It's quite a large room actually for wine, or in fact for preserves if you prefer. So I think this was done in 2009, this little wine cellar. Lovely, and of course it's very quiet, very cool. So as I come out of the wine cellar, up these stairs, you've got stairs on the left here to the main part of the house. I'm going to come up here now. Got a banister here to help you as well. And to the left, you've got quite a large kitchen area with a kitchen table and a fitted kitchen. It's very, very bright in here. Really lovely. You've got a wood burner there. That throws out a lot of heat. It was all redecorated between 2006, when the owners purchased the house. They started working their way from the roof down. They replaced the roof in 2006 and then redecorated until about 2009, when they got to the ground floor and they did the wine cellar. Beautiful old beams. Really gorgeous. Nice large kitchen. Have lots of friends around. And you are able to walk out straight onto the terrace. And one thing you'll probably notice is how quiet it is here in Neffiès. Not a sound here. The terrace is quite small, but it's shaded. And just to give you a little bit of perspective, that's where we started the video, from down there. So the terrace can be accessed via the kitchen and also the living room, which is just here to the left. Very cosy living room, beautiful wall there. And you can see the second double doors to the terrace from the living room. I'll just walk round so that you can see. There you go. So I said that this house has 3 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms is actually behind that curtain that you see ahead of me. So you've got the option, if you don't particularly need a 3rd bedroom, you could take that curtain down and use the room behind it as an extension of the living room. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So just coming through, back through the hallway. And actually, before I go into the bedroom, look at the high ceilings here. How pretty is that? So you've got the bedroom here, large enough for 2 single beds. A window up there nearer the ceiling. But as I said, you could actually take this curtain back and you could actually have this as just one large living room. You could put a sofa bed here, so it's less of a bedroom, but it can be changed into a bed if you need it. So there's a few options here. Got beautiful old beams on the ceiling, really lovely. And then stairs to the 3rd level. Now, in old houses such as this, over the years, the house has been split up, probably inherited by other people, etc. So there is a set of stairs here, but that goes to the house next door. So there is a wall there. But I just think that's an interesting feature, and it gives a real historic feel to the house. So we're up here on the 3rd floor, and to the left you've got a WC with a sink, and you've got the water heater back here and the washing machine. You've got this area here which you could actually use. It's quite a large landing. You could use this as an office if you wished, or as you could use it as a little, like a living room if you wanted upstairs. Here is the bathroom. Now this is really large. You've got a shower here to the left. You've got a double vanity, and the room is actually big enough also for a bath. So it's a really large bathroom. And it's got a fantastic window with a view over the rooftops of Neffiès. And that is a pretty view. So as we come back onto the landing, and we're going to go into the main bedroom here. And this is very nice. This is full of light. Really gorgeous. Again, you've got a big window that it looks out over the same area as the bathroom window. So you've got an amazing view. How lovely. So you can see that the wall was recently repointed. You've got a small window there. And these doors are actually, basically they're reclaimed doors that the owner has used instead of usual cupboard doors. So you've got lots of storage space as well in the bedroom. And I think this is a nice touch. It's a detail that you wouldn't normally find. So that's really, really pretty. And the 3rd bedroom is just off the landing. So I'm going to go and show it to you now. And this was originally part of the attic. but they've converted it into quite a large single bedroom. Really high ceilings. It's got a Velux there, which is actually controlled by a remote control. So you can close it. There's a blind within the Velux that you can control via the remote control. To open it, you will need a rather long stick, which is there. That's really handy. There you go, and there you have it. So you've got a 3-bedroom house in the centre of Neffiès with a wine cellar and an amazing view. The house also comes with 2 caves as well, so there's lots of storage. And Neffiès is just a lovely village. We've got 2 restaurants, a wine bar that serves food, and you're only 15-20 minutes away from Pézenas. Thank you so much for watching.